Ladies and gents, it's Johnny at Gator Harley-Davidson. Got a real special trade-in for you today. Got this super cool Softail Deluxe, 2007. White, gold, pearl, and vivid black. It's got 13-inch chrome A-fingers on it, chrome switch housings, chrome mirrors, chrome levers. It's got the white grips on it. It's got the chrome front end. Nice 19-inch chrome front wheel. They also got the Freedom Performance header pipe on there with the Fishtail exhaust you can see in the back. Leather saddlebags. Passenger backrest that is detachable. Oh, can't forget the white Pera seat here. Go with it. This bike's got 20,599 miles on it. We got it priced at $99.95. Real good condition, rides well, sounds great. Got the chrome engine guard on it. Nice green pinstriping there to break up that white, gold, and vivid black. White wall tires. Just all around really good, clean looking bike. Don't forget, we take trades, offer test rides, open 7 days a week. Please give us a call or come on by, and don't forget to check out our website. Get it at Gator.